Adventus denies UAPH comeback.
Ito na. Available
And
na.
oh, the stun is there. It's taking too much damage from the bullets. Never
Yun
fake
na.
gonna be used
Ay,
already.
naku.
Flash is low in HP and is gonna be taken down already. Habang si Cybersign dito lang sa likod.
Ice
Sumabang
Perfect
pigilan
Diamond.
yung iba. Kaso nga rin Jax mawala na rin. Hindi siya naka-zone ng members ng Adventus.
Oh.
3 versus 5. Can
No Gyre,
Alba
no
and the
smite.
squad do anything?
Ano nga?
Chicken gonna be connecting there. And Vanilla Alilab gonna go in as well. Looks like
yung
number
part
1.
na
Oh, Waka is staying alive. Say's gonna be used. Triple
Triple
kill.
kill.
Can actually
Ay,
get up and
nakatama.
can be
Hindi
outplayed.
naman.
Oh, still alive, man. Calm down. Calm down.
Rampage.
Elder Dragon still
1v2.
taken here by Adventus. Isang dash lang ni Manila. Patay na kaagad si
He's gonna go for the
Alakwa.
lifesteal.
Kaya ngayon, nagpo-push siya lang si Intention sa may mid lane while Alakwa is trying to live the dream, to build the dream, trying to keep the game alive for
Tinatawag
you.
si
Intention
Intention.
to him now, but it's not gonna be done as Adventus gets this game, gets the team fight win, and will deny the game number 3 of UAPH. They instead move further into the RTS.
They deny a possible comeback in this series.